Cute cat.
Ah.
So what are we doing?
So we're going to open these Halo minifigure packets.
Okay.
Let's see what we get.
Which one are you going to open first?
Number 1.
Go for it. Make sure you don't cut the
thingy. There it is.
The inside of it.
Okay.
Okay.
What have we got in this one?
I don't know.
Some paper.
Okay. What figure is it?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
It's a really dark figure.
Okay, so. Okay. Okay. This guy is him there.
Okay.
So that guy, yeah. Because he's got the Spartan laser.
That's not a Spartan laser.
I don't know what it is, it's just a railgun, that's it.
There we go.
Oh, I can't be bothered to put the heads on.
It's alright, don't worry about putting the heads on.
Go away. So, packet number 2. Number 2. Oh, no.
Did you not cut enough of it?
No. Trust me to open a blooming packet. Yes. Okay, number...
I might clear all the rubbish out the way. Oh, did you just mix them up?
No.
Oh man.
Oh, cool, look.
So that is a
Blue one.
blue
So,
Spartan.
if you look on here, it is.
Ooh.
That guy at the top there.
That guy.
Yeah, that guy.
Blue Spartan.
I don't know.
Okay. So just pile him up there. What's this third one going to be? I reckon it's going to be a jackal.
I hope not.
Or a
Grunt.
yeah, or a
I reckon we're gonna get like.
oh wow.
So is it? I can't tell if it's the same. It's the same as the first one, as the second.
Oh.
They just at least it wasn't the 3 jackals like we just thought it was.
And there we go. There's the 3 figures. We got the one blue Spartan with the railgun. We got the other blue Spartan with the railgun, and then in the middle we got the Marine with the railgun.
The railgun family.
Yeah, clearly. So that was
Happy little family.
that was good, wasn't it? Unboxing of some
Railgun family members.
Halo minifigures.
All railguns.
Brilliant.
Yeah.